In this video, we will look at how skills work in Heym. Heym can run skills natively inside your workflows. As an example, you can find a template on the Heym website that includes 10 ready-to-use skills. In this demo, we will use a skill that takes a given text, translates it, and creates a PDF file. Here we can see the translation skill. Skills in Heym can be built, edited, and iterated. Heym can generate its own skills, and it can also improve an existing skill with AI. You can download a skill, delete it, edit it, and review its history. This example also includes a human-in-the-loop flow around the skill. Now, let's open the skill and see what it does. This skill translates text into German. It also defines the timeout for execution and whether the skill can access Heym Drive. For example, the skill can be allowed to read files, write files, or create output files inside Drive. In this case, the skill takes the input text and converts the result into a PDF and a DOCX file. The skill includes an SVG logo, Python code, and a font asset. If we wanted to change the skill, we could ask AI to iterate on it. For example, we could update the skill markdown file or modify the Python code. Now, let's run the skill. As an example, we enter the text, "Good evening." The skill translates the text into German and creates the output files. Heym shows the generated files directly in the interface, so we can download them. Here, we can see the translated output, the original input, and the Heym logo inside the generated document. Now, let's make a small change to the skill and look at the history. For example, we update the timeout from 30 seconds to 120 seconds. After saving the change, Heym records it in the skill history. We can see what changed, who changed it, and when it changed. In this case, the previous timeout was 30 seconds, and the new timeout is 120 seconds. Heym also makes it possible to revert to an earlier version. You can inspect previous versions, call AI build on a version, or quickly restore a past version when needed. So with Heym Skills, teams can create reusable capabilities, run them inside workflows, manage files, use Python and assets, iterate with AI, and keep a full change history. This makes skills easier to build, easier to improve, and easier to control inside agentic workflows.